Okay, guys, how you guys doing? And it's still loading up. Testing, testing, one, two, three. And if you can hear my voice and see me, type the number one in the chat box. Let me know that you're out there. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Great. All right. And so hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. Greg. Welcome to Live Asia Session Trading. This is our Learn and Earn group. And we're going to have a, so I had to cut out you guys the other last couple of days, or was it Thursday? Um, the whole, I was hoping to be landing and being able to do it from the hotel room, but alas, that didn't work with all the travel things and seeing what happened just recently. I was very fortunate, very blessed to be able to get out of there before everything started closing down because of the continuing government shutdown, right? Okay. So anyway, let's go before the Lord in prayer. Heavenly Father, thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you for this new month, the new month of November, and I just thank you for all the blessings that you have set up for us for this month and for the months to come. Thank you for everyone under the sound of my voice. Thank you for growing our numbers. Thank you for wise trades, opening our eyes of our understanding to be able to recognize value opportunities and discounts in the market. In Jesus' name, amen. Okay, let's do it. Okay, all right. Amen, amen. Steve says amen. Let's go ahead. Okay, let's go ahead and check out. For those of you who are brand new to what we're doing, I couldn't resist. I had a trend line break on the on gold, and so I went ahead and I took that. Just want to show you guys. When you have a setup, it can be pretty massive there. But let's go ahead and go to my market heat map. An arrangement of currency pairs by percentage change. Tells us what's hopping, what's popping, what's dropping, what's not in the marketplace. And you can have free access to it. Just go to www.mymarketheatmap.com. And welcome all my YouTubers who are watching. We give away the first week of our live trading for free for the first week, and give you a free sample of what we do and how we do it, all the pips we make, and show you that this stuff is for real, guys. And so take advantage of it, and then make your decision at the Thursday. You have until Thursday to make a decision, and then we go back private again, keeping all the pips to ourselves. So if you want to be part of our growing community, go ahead and message me at greg@elitetradersview.com. We'll be more than happy to get you signed up. All right, let's go ahead and look at what's going on. We got the 6 powerful heat maps, but they're kind of gray because there's the only session that's open right now. It's probably Wellington, New Zealand, and maybe Tokyo. Tokyo's come on. It's 9 a.m. in Tokyo. So they've come online. We just had daylight savings time. So that usually, we fall back to standard time. So I hope you enjoy that extra hour of sleep. I love fall. I love the fall. I was born in the fall. And it's like the party months, the burrs, September, October, November, December. I love the burrs. The temperatures are nice. The weather is nice. Lots of birthdays and lots of celebrations and things. So anyway, and everything's gone great. But also things get started a little bit later. So let's go ahead and look at the economic calendar. Don't know how much economic calendar we're going to get because the government shutdown. We don't get those government readings. In fact, we got just all API crude oil stocks. That's the only thing we got out of the U.S. and a Fed speech. All of the Fed guys are getting paid in the government shutdown. So we do have some New Zealand data coming out. Employment change, employment rate, that came out already. Bank of Japan monetary policy meeting minutes, that's high. That comes out at it should have come out already. And we have a Reserve Bank of New Zealand press conference and some Chinese data. Rating Dog Services PMI. Never heard of Rating Dog. Okay. So anyway, doesn't seem much there. Let's go ahead and take a look at our other heat maps. When you become a subscriber to My Market Heat Map, you get access to a whole suite of tools, including charts, including streaming news, including news feed, and it's logging me in. Okay, so we have equity heat map, commodity heat maps, crypto heat maps, and let's take a look at the crypto heat map. You know, with Bitcoin dropping below 100,000 was pretty incredible. Bitcoin now at 101, the low. There we go. Well, the low of today, 101.082, right? So all your cryptocurrencies are getting smashed in the jaw, right?
Hey, Doc.
Uh-huh.
Doc,
No,
we are
not,
not seeing your screen.
oh, okay. Let me to turn that on. That would help. Thank you. Share. Okay. Sharing, scaring. There we go. All gray. All gray. Need some Grecian formula on this charts, right? On these graphs. Everything is nothing is moving right now. The crypto heat map I was talking about, the Bitcoin down low of 101, 101.05, taking a big hit. And also, let's take a look at our commodities. Commodities like gold are getting smacked in the jaw. 39, 36, 42. Gold just moved 30, 36, 36. Let's go to the CNBC, see what's going on, any news headlines or anything. Dow futures rise slightly after losing session. So we must have a losing session. Yeah, they're down 0.5%, down 47.05, 47.805, or 0.085. S&P 500 down a full percentage point, down 80 points. NASDAQ down 2%, down 486 points. The Russell 2000 down 1.75 points. And the VIX rises to 19%. So there is so some fear in there. Gold, silver, copper, everything getting smoked, right? And crypto and FX, euro, everything getting crushed. Except during the day, we saw dollar CAD, dollar yen that was up, dollar Swiss is up, but euro dollar, pound dollar, all have been dropping severely. We also have elections here in the U.S. We have a mayoral election, and we also have our Virginia election, New Jersey election. So some elections here in the U.S. that might impact the markets, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna jump to gold, right? Why not? So we were looking at, I was taking some shorts in this kind of like downward, this triangle here, this, well, we're getting a little bit of a breakout. I mean, you can wait for the full retracement or you can just kind of like go for it, right? Fifteen-second chart is, let's see if we can, got long 39, 38, 22. Let's see if we can get to the old high of 39.4. That's 3 pips. Top of that wick is 39.42, 4 pips. Let's see if we can smack that. Let's see if we can tap that. Again, this is a descending triangle. Not a big fan of that, but we could wait all day for a retracement, or we could just kind of ride the retracement. I'm gonna try to get $4 out of it. I get $4 out, $4, please. There we go. Yeah. I might just take that, There we go, Why not? I get you. Oof. Pull back. Looking for that pullback. Like to get a little bit of a pullback. Oh. $39.40, 41, 41.10, 41.06, 08, 06. This is like running in front. The high is 43. I would love to see some type of a pullback. We're in this overbought area. So I want a discount. And I talked about that during our coaching session. If you were on our coaching call, oops, something's going on here. All right. Forgot. This is there we go. Yeah, supposed to say, Greg. It's like, forgot. All right. We'll put a fib on it. Put a fib on it and see if we can get a pullback. Too high to buy. $38. Action 238s. Yeah, I can even put a buy limit. There you go. Watch that, baby. What? Look, mom, no hands. All right. I'm gonna take profit. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna do this. See if I can do this. No hands. Oof. If it changes green, I'm just gonna. Oh, that's close. Too cute. Too cute. And oh yeah, 3 wicks. Ooh, we're right for the 38% retracement. If it were weighted, and the green candle I was even looking for is gone. Let's see. Ooh, we're at the 38. 38% retracement bounce. Oh, coming back to the 38. Don't like that when it goes back. Okay. Let's go.
Buy.
Well, there we go. There we go. I will take that.
Take that all day.
Well, all that right, exactly. You know, like you know, I'm 87% to target. Why do I gotta go to Walmart? Right? Look at that. Look at that turn. Right?
Wait, what is it? Pigs get slaughtered.
Right. Bulls get fed. Bears get fed. Hogs, they get slaughtered. we go. 39.41. Now this could be the rejection. You got supply, overhead supply. At this point, I don't know. Right? I don't know what the count is. 3, 4. Have we hit? You haven't really hit 4 or 5. My entry probably would have been here, but you know, I think a big shot like that. Sometimes it's good just to like, you know, get up from the table. I'm talking Vegas terms, you know. A player say get up, you go for a walk, grab a cigarette or a drink, step outside, relax. And while you're doing that relaxing, whatever, the cards will cycle back around and give you another shot at it, right? That wick at the 23% retracement. Pull back. Now you're in the sideways chop. And then at this point, we'll find something else, right? Or just wait, right? Wait for an event, which see, we really never got back to here, right? This is like this old high, 39.42. Never got tagged, right? If this is a 3, 4, didn't quite get there, and it's making lower highs too, which is kind of interesting. It's like high, lower high, or higher high, then lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Selling pressure on the top size needs to be pretty strong. I mean, from a wave perspective, you expect it to get there, but all of that is like, it's like sucking chicken bones, you know? You can either get a nice piece of chicken, a nice piece of breast or a thigh or something, or you can suck on the bones and chew the marrow and chew the gristle. And, you know, that's, you know. And now it looks like it's making some type of a decision, a breakout. It retested that high, pull back. You got trend line break color change on that. So you can take a fib from that low to that high as well. And look, it dropped to the 38. 2 wicks at the 38. But it hasn't cleared. Oh, south side break too. Look at that. Oof. Ooh. Okay, so let's remove all these. And what we got? What we got? Got like a 39, 38, 41. Now, okay, we got a retrace. Got a retrace. Nice. Retrace against the trend to the 38. Red candle gets me in short. Red, got it. Short 39.40.03. Target the 100% expansion at 39.38. There we go. There we go. Pay me. Come on. Come on. Drop.
Like it's hot.
Mm-hmm.
You catch that?
It got me out.
Yes, yes.
Look at that, right? The 100% expansion. Thank you. Oh, where's this thing called? Where's the settings? I don't see execution marks. Boom. Right there. Trend line break, color change. Oh, still rolling, but they got another shot. You got another little green candle break, trend line break. Ooh. 100. Oh, it ran. Reversal. So we get reverse. Oh, didn't even. Wow, didn't even like it. Just bounced and just took it. And so look at that. Dropped, rally, drop. So eager to sell, it didn't even get back to the old high exactly. Okay. One green candle, two green candles, three green candles. Next red one I see, I'm in it to win it. It's also a Fibonacci retracement. It's retracing against the trend, right? They take that last high, take it to the low. 38% retracement, 39, 37, 44. Will we hit it? Ooh, okay. There we go. At the 23% retracement. And there we go. I'll take that real fast. Yeah, there you go. Right. Do you know why? It's an A, B, C. So I took it off of A, B, and then see you later up to maybe 38, no, to the 38. You see the ABC playing out? Ooh. Trend line break. I don't know. It seems kind of. You can take a fifth projection on that from the 0, the A, the B. Oh, where is it? Yeah. 0, A, B. Well, the 618 is 39.37. So you should have 39.37 or 39.38. One of these two should be. So it's moving sideways. Let's see if it. Well, does it ignore it? All right. All right. All right. Trend line break, color change. It did. Also, it double topped. See, so if it doesn't go 618, it double topped. Okay. But so I missed it. Missed it. So wait for some green candles. Oof. There you go. They bounced off the 11% retracement. Okay. Anyway. Red candle break. I'm short. Long wicks. Let's see if it all drawings. Is this the end? And is this the ABC? Okay. Let me get back to this low to high. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's running away. Oh, still overlap. Oh, 127 expansion. And the 50% retracement, there was kind of an overlap of the projections, the projection and retracement, creating like a zone. Which looks like an ABC maybe. Air 1B or 2, gonna need a drop. So we kind of get double top here at 39.38. Double top, then you drop. I drop, I say. Let's go the wrong way. Small body candle, red reversal. Do it. Do it. Oh. Okay. It's climbing. We're at the all drives. Let's see, could be extending. That's our high and our low. 618. That is a acted as a barrier. And maybe our C extended like that. And maybe we start getting our big drop from there. Nice bear flag. And if this is a bear flag, we can take the last one high, the low, and take that high right there. And then look for our first take profit, 39.31. Bounced off the 38. But that's not what I wanted to do. So make some new lows, bearish engulfing. Oh, the 5-second chart. Am I on the 5-second chart? Oh no. I thought it was on the 15-second chart. No wonder getting a hyper way too fast. There you go. That's more my speed. Thanks, Jay. It's like, man, it's like like, am I getting old? Because I'm getting tired, Man, come on. Oof. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that. We got bounce. Oof. Don't be mad at me. Give me 39.31. 39.31. 5 pips. Drop. Let's give it drop.
All aboard!
I was trying to hit all aboard. I hit the applause instead. They both start with letter A. That'll work. I just waited for the pullback. A rally against the 200 simple moving average of 38% retracement. Should be some drop coming. Let's go. There you go, baby.
Sell, sell, sell. Don't buy, don't buy.
Maybe we have a bearish head and shoulders here. Maybe. A head, shoulder. And we take the measurement objective from the top of the head to the neckline. Right? We clone like a sheep. There, we clone it. Take that line from the projection from the line, and that gives us a projection target. 100% expansion, right? Same neighborhood. A lot of things you can do. You can take this leg up to the top of the shoulder, and you can do a projection off that. You can have fun with this, right? Take the high. You stretch over it so you can look. Now you got projection targets, 100% expansion, and the 1.618. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that beauty! Look at that! Come on now! Pay me! Pay me, I say. I assure you, pay me. Oh, if we're going to take that. Oh! 100% expansion. There we go. Neckline. We're not even anywhere near the neckline. There we go. Let's see if we can. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Pay the good man. I'm going to take this. No, I'm not. I'm just going to. There we go. Small body candle. Give me a little, come up for air, you know? Spin underwater. Come up for air. Give me a couple of green candles. Get my, I got this, my fingers getting crimped. Fingers like go, you wimp, you know, soaking in water. Get some. Look. Here we go. Oh, we can take a Fibonacci retracement. You can do the same thing over and over again, right? Take a fib from the top to the bottom, from the bottom to the top, and now we're here, like a Drake song, right? Hey, we're punching through the 38, stacking candles, counter trend. Someone on their phone's like going, yeah, I'm gonna buy. Yeah, look at the green candles on my phone. Yeah, because you're always looking at this. Little do you know that all of this is happening right now. Here we go. Small body red candle. Got it. Pay me. Let's drop it. I'm going to take that other 100% expansion right there, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
Buy.
No.
Sell, sell, sell.
I'm going to take that. Ah. Uh. He's a monster. He's a machine. What's he doing? Oof. All right. All right. All right. Come on. Come on. Drop, I say.
Don't buy. Don't buy. Sell, sell, sell.
Yeah. Go. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go. Here it is. Pay me. Oh, you so close. You drop. Oh. Oh. I'll take it. Ah. Wow. Came that close. Remember the expansion. Oh. Hey. Turn line break, color change. Do you do anything different, Greg? No. $618. You're just running from a freight train, Greg. Trouble. Oh, pay. Oh, no, you. No. Don't know what that looked like. Oh, smackaroonie. Oh, the reversal back up to 36, 30, 39, 36. I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to take it. You should, Greg. No. I'm tired. Flying commercial. Air 1, beer 2. Load it up. There we go. Yeah. Oh, my Aussie dollar. Go, Aussie. Go, Aussie. Go, Aussie. Go, Aussie. Go. Oh, where are you? $2,000. I'll take it. All right. And the crowd goes haywire. Dollar index pulling back.
Hey,
And
Doc, it's been a damn good night for you.
Woo! How you doing?
I actually took I'm paper trading, but I took the long, I mean the short on the goal as well and made a couple bucks on it.
Nice. So, did the fib lesson we had during the coaching call, did that make sense? Oof.
Absolutely. I got it on my screen right now.
Cool, cool. Huh? Look at this. What's this? I don't know where I am. Wait, way too many. Oh, gold. Let's go back to gold. Oh. Woo, there was a lot of stuff going on down there, you know, on that 15-second chart. That's a snowball. Trend line break, color change, trend line break, color change. Ooh, trend line break, color change. Against this wick, I don't know. Looks tasty. But yeah, they're people hanging out down there. Well, I want them taken. I want them taken out. Okay. Oh yeah, we got that one. Excuse me. So, yeah, that last one before that one, that was the Australian dollar one. Well, I thought it said negative. I'm like, oh, it closed me out negative, so it closed me out positive. So all winners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 wieners and prize wieners there. Okay. Well, here we go. There's that wick. See how they came in there at the wick? I could have shorted down to the wick, but I want these guys to, and see, get you like a descending triangle kind of thing. So in the channel. Oof. And see, we can take a fib from the last swing high, which is a wave 4. The high is usually up the 4, right? 3, 4, take the high is 4. And look, we hit the 38% retracement. A parabolic move up. The 200 is here at the 618, waiting for it, right? And you look at, if you look at your oscillators are getting in that oversold, overbought area too, right? Come on. So we wicked. Parabolic straight move. Usually, now if you took the angle of that, took the angle, trend angle, that trend angle is very steep. Like a 78, almost like 80%, an 80% or 80-degree angle. The trend angle is so, it's kind of mitigating. The steeper the angle, the harder the fall. Small body green candle at the 618 and the 200 simple moving average, which we use on all of our charts. One of the most widely watched technical indicator. Red candle, bam, give it to me. Pay me. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh.
Sell, sell, sell.
Oof. And it kind of mitigated itself with this at 57% or 57 degrees. Ooh, okay. Let's see. Now we're at the 786. $67, $68 angle. That could have been our 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, and maybe we roll off from there, but 786. And I didn't get a legitimate red candle. It flashed red like that and then changed back green. But I'm not adding any more to that. I mean, I'm at 36 and it spiked up to 38 or so. No, it spiked up to 37. So it spiked up a pip, right? So I'll be back in the money. This thing collapses. So 786. Now, back in the day, if it stopped at the 786, it should go down to the 127% expansion, right? So let's see. It drops and pulls back 38%. Oh, how high did we go up? Wow. Oof. There we go. I'm gonna take that. Thank you, thank you. You're too kind. My audience is too kind. All right. 127% expansion is 39.21. And so we can take a fib on this, right? We can take a fib on it. I mean, we can take it drops and it rallies. Green candles, trend line break, color change. It goes a nice low, a low risk entry in the direction of the prevailing downtrend, right? At the 38, right? Look, 38. Axe and 238s. Red candle change, color change, trend line break. Make money right away. Print money. That's what we do, pip and run. If you want to learn how to make money and you are trading an account unsuccessfully and you want a coach, well, I'm it. I'm the best there is, guys. Who else can go live and make $1,000 in front of you like that, right? Right? And talk, answer your questions, and be funny at the same time, right? What's the expansion target I said? 127%. That's down here, right? 1,272,392,169. It's an $11,000 move. There we go. Now you're cooking, Jack. A little bit of a retrace. Trend line break, color change again. I'll might add another slab on the grill, right? Yeah. I heat the pan for one steak, throw a couple in there. Okay. Love to see that parabolic move up where price starts stacking green candles. The steeper the angle, the more certain the drop, the higher probability of the drop. There's no certainties in trading. We're all dealing with probabilities and edges. Right? So it's your 10-degree angle, you want to short the crap out of something like that. Or a 6-degree angle, it's going down. 12-degree angle, right? But when you get your angles the other way, if something's like 40-degree angle, it'll probably continue going higher. But you really want to see something like trend line break. Oh, cancel. No, I don't want to leave. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Trend line break, color change. Breaking new lows. Do we want the clocks back? Seems like we've been here longer than 54 minutes, Is this a money trade?
All aboard!
Come on. We can remove all these lines. Remove all these lines. Remove all drawings, right? Oof. Okay. And then try another fib. I won't tell a fib on this one, right? Well, we're having a retrace. We bounced off the 618. A or 1, B or 2, C or 3 later. Look at that. Here we go. Here we go. Here's your expansion target. Your 100% expansion target is 39.30. Where is my target? Oh, way down there? Nah, I'm not going to think we're going to all that. 39.30. There we go. Oh, we're going to take that. Oh, no. Missed it. Oh, okay. Try it again. Oof. Double bottom. Retrace. Oh, man. $2,000. And you guys are a fickle crowd. All right. I'm not adding any more to it, but this is our. And you got a fib on this one, right? You've got a fib retracement. Move that one, move that. Right? You have a high, you have a low. Price retraces from the high to the low. Rally to a 50% retracement. Oof. Long wick candle, two-sided Darth Maul candle. Ooh, retrace back to the 38. Ooh, to the 618. Oh, it's yeah. I could have got my exit here. The double bottom. But I was looking for an expansion extension. All right, so we're at the 618. Actually, we're the smaller fib we can get rid of because of the if it was a smaller fib. Oh, this is what I want to get rid of. That. And I don't know. Yeah. But they go both ways, right? You have the double bottom, and then you go here, right? And we bounced off the 618 of the long, right? And we can still try to get to the old high for a double bottom here, right? Double top here, right? Ooh. But it gets smoked at this yeah, turn it the other way. Turn it the other way. Yep, the other way. Oh, you can't do that, right? But that's the high, that's the low. Oof. Double top. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay. We licked the old high, 39.38. Are we working on inverted head and shoulders? Ooh, nasty. $39.50. Yeah, let's stop playing games here. Oh, undo. I just deleted everything there. Remove the drawings. Do. I was like, that looks like a liquidity around there. So, and where did this baby go?
Hey, Doc.
Uh-huh.
Hey, I'm looking at the predictive indicators on the 1 hour.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. It's giving me an uneasy feeling.
You got a bicycle?
Potentially.
Okay. And we'll see if I can get a pullback, a retest of 39.37, see if I can get out with less of a loss. Thank you.
Yeah,
And
no
look
problem.
And look at that 1 hour to my other screen here. And this is, you got your equal wave pattern AB equals CD where we hit the 100% exactly, but you know, our oscillators are open. And let's see if this is just a liquidity sweep. We swept right into all this old resistance here. With a little turbulence. Remain in your seats with your trade tables, the upward position, your safety belts on. This is just maybe some turbulence. $39.40. Well, I'm not going for it's gonna take that from me. I'm gonna, what we got? The old lows right there. And we're in a big range. Low of this range is 39.28. Fifteen-second crossover. Come on down. It looks like A, B, C, and we have air one, maybe B or two, and C or three later, right? Little A, B, C against the trend. A, B, C. Right. And in response, we anticipate a 5-wave correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this to be true, this rally has to stay below the wave C high. It's coming up strong candle. A or one, B or two. We need a C or three later. Our 8:03 money train, 8 o'clock money train. That double bottom was vicious. It was so fast. It's faster than my fingers could down. Fingers are kind of crimping. There we go. Come on, baby. Supply zone, 100% expansion. Overbought on our oscillators. You need to, you know what? Again, no charts were harmed in the filming of this video. Don't protest my house. Greg's cruel to charts. Greg's cruel to charts. Oh, it made a new high. Okay. Oof. But did we close? The week flows. It's the operative word. And kinda, sorta, new high with lower momentum. Small body candle. This look like a trap. Looks like they're just trying to get bait people at. It does mess up my count. I'm glad to see it, but so what do I got? A, B, C. Oh no, 5 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So it's not an ABC. Does look like 5-way though. And we have the predictive function on the 5th wave. So that moves this over here, right? A or 1, B or 2. I'm gonna tap it. Come on down. Da 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 ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Come on down. Coming up against the supply zone. Ooh, cutting into the supply zone with gusto. So maybe this is our 1, 2. Unfolding 3 ways, ABC 1, 2. Need that 2 to stay below 5 or yeah. That's it, baby. The red candle. Small body candle. Lowered momentum. Momentum changes before candle direction. Ooh. Bearish engulfing. Yeah, big bear. Come on, bears. There we go. Big bearish engulfing. Big red candle. I'll take a small red candle. Big red. 39, 44, 12 by 24, 93 by 18. Oof. 44, retesting again. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That gives us slightly like a walking 5, right? But it does make a slightly higher high. So all this walks over here, right? Ooh, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles. Rallying back to need a lower high. We need like 39.42 or 39.41, or even now, this turn now. Break the low and drop. Small red candle. A lower high. With a lower high, a lower high, a lower low. We need a lower low. We need this candle to break below and drop. Big drop, big drop. You definitely don't want tweezer bottoms. Oof. And you don't want this as a flat correction either, as an A, B, C. Well, maybe this. And we need that 2 to stay. 39.43. Need that. There we go. There we go. We small body candle. I need to stay red. Stay inside the body of the previous candle to give us our so now you got like 88% retracement right there, right? Stay down. Got her on my 2. Keeps going around it. Now we've got another rejection. Somewhat weird, or above our supply zone, but barely triple topping above it. Seems like some type of a liquidity or a liquidity sweep, trying to like fish all the bears out and draw a bunch of the bulls in. $39.43.87. Price testing the top of the supply zone at 39.43.33. There we go. There we go. Trend line break, color change. We have an established high, we have an established low. There we go. 100% expansion of 39.40 short of R. We need to get down here, right? So we need bigger target. But hey, if this is wave 1, this is 2, 3 is never the shortest wave. And so this will make kind of a short wave. An expansion 39.37 or anywhere nearby gives us close to break even. We can get out of this trade. And not too soon, right? But if my forecast is correct, then we would see 39.28, which would give us a $23,000 payout. What are you guys thinking?
Long term, I wouldn't be surprised if it goes back down to 39, around 39.07.
Mm-hmm.
But that might take a day or two.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 39 so would be nice if we could go to a higher time frame chart. Like all this is choppy consolidate. This is corrective, and it's below the 200. So there's a lot more. The old low is 38.88. If this is a typical slingshot for a double bottom. What was that? Really? 38.86. What's going on here? Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I see it at 38.88.
But there are lots of wicks in the 39.14, 39.06.
Right.
They're right there. So probably hit these, maybe there's buyers down there and then it cracks. But
yeah, so far tonight I've had all winners just trading with you. I stopped about 10 minutes ago, so I'm not in this current trade.
okay, good for you.
But I got
All right, leave me out to dry.
don't start clapping too soon because I got in on a buy on Monday yesterday. And I got in at 4,006.
Hey, put a 4 on it. That's already
I'm trading 0.03. So I'm just gonna keep it open and hold it until
you get that case of hopium.
Oh yeah.
More hopium.
A big old case of hopium. Gold's going to 5,000. I'm gonna hold it, man. I'm gonna hold it.
Man, you're a hodler. Yeah, I can't lie. I've got one up there too. I said, yeah, I got projection targets. That's one thing. You start B.O.B. believing your own bullshit. You start thinking, exactly. It's gotta go to the moon.
Exactly. Yeah, my pride and my ego just won't let me close it out because I want to keep my win percentage above 85%. So
that's the trap. The win percentage is one way of holding accountability, creating a climate of excellence, but it also has the other side is the ego, closing trades for small gains when you endure a bigger losses, right?
Yeah.
So sometimes if I get a big drawdown, I'm down 20 grand or something, I'll move that take profit down. So look, because usually if it goes against me that much, it usually moves that much in my favor.
Uh-huh.
Right. So I said, look, if you're gonna put me through that kind of, I'm gonna push this down and you're gonna pay me.
Yeah.
But it kind of works that way because Elliott waves. Think about Fibonacci. The higher the retrace, you get this proportional expansion, right?
Right. And also, I've been looking at what happened with gold back in 2007, 2008 during the GFC. And gold and the S&P are doing exactly the same thing that it did back then.
Oh,
Right. And so historically, what happened back then, we're going to see a drop in the S&P, and then gold is going to have a massive rally because as the S&P drops, everybody's going to run to gold for safety. So if that pans out with my account balance and just a 0.03 lot size, I should be relatively safe holding this.
right. This is like a major walk. The daily S&P 500 is a walking 5. New highs in price. New highs in price and lower lows in the
Predictive
oscillator.
indicator, right?
The
Yeah.
predictive indicator. Right? It's like,
Easy.
like, shut up, Greg. I mean, that was our wave 3 high, 61.61. Wave 4 low, 48.31.11. And you get the expansion is nuts, right?
Yeah. It's crazy.
So you got the high, the low, and the pullback. Ooh,
yeah, exactly.
The 100% expansion, 69.23.34. This is the end of the world, bro.
Exactly.
Stock up on food and ammunition.
Yep.
Wow, that's right there on a pullback. And
I've been looking at that for the last 2 weeks. So I'm like, something's about to happen.
Right. Oops.
It's either going to keep shooting up or we're in for a major reset.
Oh yeah. But you already see the dollar rallying, right?
Yeah.
The DXY is rallying. Let's look at the TNX, which is our VIX hasn't shot up. Our 10-year Treasury note. 10-year Treasury notes may U-turn. And DXY.
Now the dollar looks like it's carving out a bottom, and it looks like it could potentially shoot up. You see that 100%. Yeah,
101.36
expansion. Yeah.
And then you could overlay the expansions with the retracements. The 38 and the 100% expansion.
Right.
That's the confluence. You get that confluence right there.
Yeah.
Which means you could short euro or go pound, long, short pound, short euro, short Aussie, short. I mean, you're just.
Yeah, this week would have been a really good week to start out shorting the euro.
Look at that.
It's already dropped.
But the typical retracement, 38 retracement is 112.42.
Yeah.
We're the 23% retracement, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you do color, trend line break color change. Bam, that's you're short at 115 or 116. You're short at 116 and you're 200 pips in the money, right?
Yep.
So you want to see like a retrace of a 4 hour or something, something that's going to give you a.
Yeah, that's what I've been waiting for.
Yeah, so
just waiting for a retrace and then trend line break color change, short it, and then just ride it all the way down.
Yeah, and you're going to collect interest, right? You're going to be long the currency with the higher interest rate. You're going to be collecting. You're going to be collecting daily interest, and it's going to be going up in value. I'm just like, God, this is the free money. So you need like a retrace. Give me back to like 115, 52, right? Have that sucker just sitting there ready. I got my alert right there. Look at that. Got my alert sitting right there.
Nice.
Axe 238s. Break that trend line and kick it. Right? Uh-oh. Let's go. Let's go. 46. Ugh. It's like going up. Oof. It's going up. What's the manual high? Yeah. Oof. I broke out of the zone. How far did it pull back? I pulled back to 41. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so how far did it got? Oh, double bottom at the 200. That was my I'm probably gonna nurse that. I'm not gonna close it. Get close now. Oh, a euro. Oh, well, euro. Is the euro going fly up too? Oh, stop. You know, look at that. So this is kind of a counter trend. Okay, let's say I'm gonna pick up. I can pick up $300 on the counter trend move, right? After you get used to the speed of gold, it's really kind of hard to go to the currency pairs,
Yeah. I started to trade euro earlier this week, and it was just moving so slow. I was like, okay, I'm going back to gold. But
Right.
but when it does the next retrace and gets ready to make another big drop, I'm just going to go in with a big lot size and just set it and forget it.
Mhm.
Yeah, move my stop loss into a stop profit. Maybe close out 1/2 or 2/3, and then just let it ride.
That sounds like a plan. But this isn't too bad for Asia and the euro. I mean, what European bank is actually open at this time, right? So,
Right.
I got 10 standard lots, $100 a pip. I'm just trying to get 3 pips out of it,
Yeah.
and make $300.
Well, I won't be trading that large of a size, but
Right. You can with Plexi trade. You can
well,
1,000-to-1 leverage.
yeah.
$300. You can control 10 standard lots.
Well, does Plexi Trade take U.S.
They
clients?
they used to,
But not now.
not now. Yeah, that's why I told you get that Plexi trade account before they were LQDFX. I don't know if you were around when it was that. And then they switched it to Plexi trade, and then they stopped taking US altogether.
Mm.
But anyone who had an account, the people open accounts that never fund them. I go, just put $50 in there, you lock your account up. Right. But they have this bonus, this $26,000 bonus, where whatever you put in, they match in a bonus fund. And if you do so many lots, they give you $6 per lot. So let's say you deposit like $1,000, right? So they put that much in a matching bonus, and then for every lot you trade, you get $6 toward that bonus, right? And once you pay off this 1,000 through all your lot trading,
Right.
then you get to keep that $1,000, right? In addition, which is pretty good. I mean, so if $1,000 divided by 6, you would have to do 166 trades, 166 slot trades, right? And they have to last they have to last longer than 3 minutes. That's what I was making a mistake because I was like going, oh man, I'm gonna hit this back and forth, right?
Right.
And they go, oh well, your trades, you did a lot of trades, but they weren't 3 minutes. I go 3 minutes. I'm a dinosaur, After I'm a Jurassic Classic,
So Plexi Trade won't give you the same arrangement that you have with Ox Securities?
No.
No. Oh, that's a bummer.
Mm-hmm. But like I had the Trading View or Trader's Way, same thing. They took US for a while and then they stopped taking new US. But this other broker called CoinEx, they have but they have 500 to 1 is sufficient. So 500 to 1 leverage. Like according to one of my students, they give you 24-hour or same day withdrawal, like a half hour. It's real time withdrawals.
Yeah, I was with Coinex back in 2017,
Mm-hmm.
17, 18, and they ran into some issues and shut down for like a year.
Oh
First,
boy.
yeah, first they were called, I think, Polynix or Poloniex, something like that. Then they changed to Coinex,
Mm.
and I was with them for about a year and a half, and then they shut down and closed all the accounts, and no one was answering customer service calls or emails. And I went
Oh,
through that. Yeah, I went through that for about 6 months,
did
just
you
trying to get. Yeah,
did
I
you
did. I ended up blowing that account, so
okay? No, what about getting anything back?
yeah, there was no issue trying to get my money back.
Right.
But when it was running smoothly, yeah, it was same day withdrawals. It was operating really nicely, but I don't know what happened to where everything just kind of went to pot, and then they just stopped answering phone calls and emails, and then I got an email saying that they were shutting down. I didn't even know that they were back in business, so I'm a little gun shy to sign up with them again.
Well, yeah. See, what happened was that during this whole MT4 is a Russian software, and they had moved some money for a Russian oligarch, which you're not supposed to do. So they got banned on Apple. Remember, they were banned on the Apple OS
Yeah,
store. Then they ran into some issues where anyone who was a white label who didn't have a physical address, like Hugo's Way didn't have a physical address. They were like, I don't know what they were doing. And so Hugo's Way, because I was an IB for Hugo's Way, and they didn't.
yeah, I was with them too. Hugo's Way.
Remember when they were going through
Yeah.
and they were answering calls and and they still owe me money.
Oh man.
But not much, but still, I know people say, "Hey, well, Hugo's Way." Like, no, it's not like they reached out to me. It's like I had, probably, several hundred IBs. And I just told everybody, let's get out of here. And we went to LQDFX. They have physical address. I said, are you sure you're going to be able to take US? Are you sure? Are you sure? Yeah, we're fine. We're fine. And then sure enough, soon when my people start signing up, oh, well, we're going to change our name. They changed LQDFX to PlexiTrade. And then PlexiTrade was fine for a while. Then they weren't. So they didn't have enough MT4 accounts, so they limited people with a demo, how long you can have a demo. And then they just said they don't take US altogether. All right. So
Uh,
you just so I have people like, oh yeah, I was using them for simulation. You should put $20 in there and lock yourself into an account. Accounts are, high leverage accounts are hard to get because US people aren't accepted. So, you have to be very nimble. They think, oh yeah, I can just get an account anytime. It's like, it's not like that.
Yeah.
And then they cry, hey man, I can't get an account, they won't take me. It's like, really?
Yeah, the same thing happened with me and what's that one platform that you use that has all the bells and whistles?
C-Trader?
C Trader.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I had a C Trader demo account, but I never funded my live account. Next thing I knew, they closed the demo account and now they won't take any US clients.
Yeah.
Um, So I guess I have to wait until I get a foreign address.
Which is very soon. Here we go.
Yeah,
Here we go. Almost there. One more push. There we go. That didn't take long. That's like 30 a minute. It's like 10 minutes. Like 310 bucks. So these others must be. Oof. They don't have what? Oh, one. Oh, look how fast it moved. So yeah, you want to get me? Yeah, I did, but not anymore. And you already broke out. You already broke out. So I took the counter trend trade, and we made money in the counter trend trade. That's the peak. That's the 58 whole number round number right there. Take that to that. See, once you get on the other side of the trend line, right here, once you get on the other side, is this overlapping, 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 break, retest, and now it's short, 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 short. And now we're down here. Now it's trying to hammer out from down to the bottom here. A, B, C. This is you get up. Okay, there's a break, but you got the 200 sitting right there. That's like a giant tree crossing the road, Sometimes price will blow right through that thing, right? And other times it just stops there and then, I'm not going to go up there. It'll turn around and drop, right? So I don't like taking trades, even though this is a perfect setup, right? Color change, trend line break, but that, see, it price like, I'm not going there. Not today, right? It might. It might rally up to it. It might just say, nah, whatever. So I'm looking for clear setups, right? Right. When this one broke, that was easy. Went back to the old high and then dropped, right? Let's try dollar yen. See something. Oh, well. Well, it's like A, B, C. I mean, we are destined for a rebound. 618. That's a deep correction. I mean, it just said, why even try? Don't even bounce. Just keep falling. Life is not worth living. We go down to the 88% retracement. Oh, didn't even pause. This rolled over and died. Oh, and blew out the low. Oof. MACD below zero line. Oops. Says, like, why even try? This is there's like no pause, no A, B. This is just one big A. A. Didn't even come up for air. Is it? Oh, new low. Small body inside day candle. Didn't even bottom out. I'm not scared of a move like that. Dead cat bounce. Maybe we get a after hitting the level so hard that maybe has at least a 38% retracement out of it, maybe. Or no, not even. It's just a little bit, just a bounce. Just a little bit of a bounce. This is called catching a falling knife. Don't do this. Come on, come on. Give some money. Pay me more. More. 3 grand at least. Take it. Okay. Yeah. Ran from a freight train to grab a quarter. And look, if I stayed any longer, it reversed. This could be A or 1, B or 2. And you could try for a C. And that's so large. I'm like, God, what was I doing? 5 million a clip? Long wick. Trend line break, color change. I'm in. Get paid, baby. Come on. $26. Oh, come on, man. $13. Oof. Oof. So I took that $13. Well, you have to, with 11% Fibbo. Come on. It is wave 2 and ABC for wave 2. Oof. No. Double bottom. Reversal. Trend line break. Color change. Blue over. dollar cost average this baby. Come on. Asia markets plunge, tracking Wall Street declines. AI valuation concerns hit sentiment. Okay. Nice one. Out. Oh, come on. Big one. Monkey. Big one. Oof. Look at this. 3, 4, 5. Air 1. Beer 2. See you 3 later. There we go, baby. Pay me. There we go. There we go. All right. 30% retracement, 5305. Not going for that. Got a double top right there. Oh, it's breaking. It's breaking. Oof. Look at that. Got a little short there, huh? Probably the 200 right here is 5313. Six 1 8, 5310. And we hit it. And do we close above it? $53.10. Not give up the whoops. Blah, 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 blah. I don't like you, Jay. Yeah, it is funny. It does have its own little quirky style. Red candle. I'm gonna drop, I say.
Sell, sell, sell.
Oh. Well, I got $65 out of it. Oh, Gold's thing doing what it wants to. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh. Hey now. Hey now. Look at that fishing expedition. This walking. There we go. There we go. Come on. Pay me. Ah, green candle. Not now. Well, my counts were all off. Well, we know what that one is. That's 5, 3, 4, 5. Long old ABC, right? I'm gonna move all the lines. There we go. 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, big momentum 3, 4, probably up to the 200, and then extension. That's my story, and I'm gonna stick with it. That's Greg, you can't predict the markets. The markets are random. They do what they want to do. Trend line break, color change. Oh, yeah, I could have stacked on that, but I'm good. You want to stack that? Yeah. Here we go. Did I count it? Did I count it? Do I know I count? I said, you can count to 5. You know your ABCs. You got this, right? Now, I really should get out because it could double bottom, right? It could. Execution looks like that, huh? Well, there we go. There we go. I won. Oh, no, no, that's so not fair. Bearish engulfing.
Sell, sell, sell.
Oh. So close. Trend line break, color change. No. Maybe an ABC or a double top at 39.41. A trend line break right now would be beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. There we go. There we go. There we go. Big one. Monkey. Big one. Hit me. Come on. No. Big one. Drop, I say. Ooh. That's nice. Who's this, Jay?
Yeah, those are the trades I took with you tonight, minus this last one you're still in.
Sweet. We're close. We're close. We're on time. You guys on YouTube, what do you guys think? Oh, take this. Take it, Greg. No.
Did it slip you?
It slipped me. It
Oh,
slipped me. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it.
well,
Oh,
that's
and
not
it went
right.
down. That's so not fair.
That's not right. Oh,
Ah, I just had to wait. Oh, not gonna. Oh, anyway. Wow. Okay. Anyway, I think I've had enough. That was so close. It was positive, and then it just flipped right there. Right, anyway, so that's it. So close. Anyway, well, we'll try it again tomorrow, but let's see what you got here. I got ears up as a Gyazo, easy sharing. We'll add to your folder. Jay Lee, add. There we go. 0.6. There you go. Dollar rate. This base hits. This base hits. $85. Hey, the service cost $97 for the month, right? It was pretty good. Could have made the whole the price of the service in one night. Let's ring the bell and give you a congratulations. So what's it like trading with me? What do you think? If you were to tell someone out there, how have you grown as a trader and all that good stuff, you know?
oh yeah, my confidence has definitely gotten a lot better. My technical analysis, I mean, it's just grown by leaps and bounds. I'm not even the same trader I was, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. So my my outlook on what my long-term plan is to move out of the country and be fully self-sufficient is to the moon, because I know that any day of the week I can just wake up and make the money that I need to sustain myself and more. So these weekly trading sessions, the special workshops that you do, I mean, they're all undervalued for, compared to what you're charging for them. They're worth much more than what you're charging. So this has been a godsend for me. If it weren't for you, and if it weren't for what I'm learning by being under your coaching and tutelage, I'd still be stuck in a warehouse, working 10 hours a day with high blood pressure, losing my mind. So yeah, I just can't thank you enough.
All right. I know how. Let's go out to lunch tomorrow.
Hey, just let me know when you're available. Just let me know
Okay.
when you're available.
All right, brother. Will do. Thank you so much, Jay. I'm so proud of you, seeing your trade, seeing your confidence, and how your analysis makes me very, very happy. So I'm really glad.
Hey, thank you, Doc.
All right. All right, guys. Let's try this again tomorrow. We'll try to go for the perfect record